Oh, gate. Steer the other way.
Same one.
Hey, you gotta go through the gates. Back up now. Reverse.
Gotcha.
You gotta come this way. Don't stop.
Oh. Good save. Come down through here. Oh, don't
Okay,
hit the
that's
gate.
what you're doing.
Now, stop for a second. We're gonna go through those gates, okay? Be careful, go real slow.
Hey, pay attention to what you're doing. That's all around. Don't hit the gate.
Yep, when you get to the red, you gotta stop. Oh.
There you go.
We gotta make it through that. It's one of these. Yeah.
Just like one of those. You can't touch it.
Nice.
Now the truck?
Yes, baby.
No, with nothing.
You can't drive on the bus right now, but you can drive on the floor or upstairs.
Where do you want it?
You can't go through there.
Nice job, dude. Great. Oh no!
As you talk about it,
He was crushing it.
you can go play monster trucks upstairs. You could, have Poppy get
Yeah,
your
you're
track
diff
out. You
into
guys
it.
can ramp. Okay? Is Poppy still upstairs?
Oh, nice.
Have them put your track together, okay? You should know.
Elizabeth,
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna winch right over to here.
Sorry, right?
Before I get into this gate, it's closer. Just go right to the front.
You want me to take this off? Because it's a hindrance. I'm going to pull you down.
You can drive on the course after we're all done. Remember you and Jack drove on the course this morning, so it's our turn, and then it can be your turn again, okay?
I'm not looking over there.
You're looking good, buddy. You're looking good.
Remember? Jack, so be cool sec.
Almost come on. Yep, keep staying like you are, bud. Stay the line you are. Turn past. Yep, turn driver. Turn driver.
Here, I got you.
Okay,
Where's my next gate? Oh, right there.
right over here.
Thank you.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Hammering and working with your drill?
Yeah.
All right.
Who's doing my tail?
He's doing the drill? Very nice.
I don't even know how to approach this one. Yeah, I tried to get my tire up here, but I think yours might be too. I'm just gonna roll if I do that. Yeah. I still think my roof's gonna grab it. Yeah, my roof's gonna go right into that.
Oh, nice. It's settled. Now the
Back
rear's
should
gonna slide.
Yeah.
It's easier to take another winch. Yeah.
Yeah, I would rather do another winch and just pull the rear that way.
It looks
I
dang
just
good.
gotta remember, you got accessories and overland gear on here, so
This thing's heavy now.
take a winch.
Yeah, just don't want to go again.
Buy about 4 pizzas.
It's working. It's working. It's working.
Nice job, guys.
Weird. That was a tough one.
I really would like to go down from here, but
I just swapped to these wheels.
That blue one will hit for sure.
Riley, all the way over here.
where are you going?
What are you? You gotta
I'm no
back
better
it
than your
down.
son. I'm no better than your son.
Back it up.
No.
You're gonna flip, dude, and it's gonna be 10.
Oh, we're looking fine.
Yeah.
Just straight back.
Good call.
Yeah, something, you know. Fill them with some shot and seal them
Turn,
up.
turn. You don't have a lot of steering, so you gotta turn early.
My
I want to use that
But you got the
roll
reverse as many times as you want now.
until you get.
Well, that's kind of nice though.
Nice stuff.
That helps.
Good job.
Get down from that thing. I don't want to go that high.
You're gonna have to let Jay help you through here. You're coming up. He just drove a tank through this course. It has
That dang.
Who had the low? Was it you or Trent? Trent had the low? Dude, nice work. Do multiple.
challenging.
Don't just want to keep running.
I'm not used to this turn radius.
Mm-hmm.
You could trim those plastic axles to get more steering out of it.
Come on, you stupid
Feel fluid down
Take it before you hit it.
Flip.
Yes.
Yes.
And when the body's gonna get into it.
Yes.
I'll turn it right.
Yeah. Try to get this wheel up here.
Is it up there?
Yes.
I'm gonna take it off.
Okay, yeah, sorry. Go ahead. Thank you.
Yeah, just
That's
turn the truck
exactly
around
how
so everybody has it.
Riley just did it. He took his wheel, he went up that high. But you're so much higher back here.
So I have a little. It's gonna end up freaking wrong.
You don't want to flip.
I need you to move your this.
When should I get?
Oh, come on. Please turn. Just turn. Turn.
You already backed up?
This one is just not friendly.
You said it.
Not this one. So that one over there.
That was red.
Who did this?
No, you're gonna hit the side. Yep.
I would get out of it.
You got a good line there.
He's got a friend over there. He's got to show every toy.
You can back up still. Just careful of that body. Yep, careful of that body. Hey, what you really need to do is, yep, try to get that tire to come
Nicely
down.
done.
Now this is your.
I can't tell you how many times I've slapped a gate with front tires churning.
Good job, Ryan.
Good job.
I have a mechanic.
Have a mechanic. Yeah, welcome to life. If you weren't driving right now, I'd high
Now I
five
hope you hit that gate.
I'm gonna need a winch, I'm sure, but
Trenchers ain't biting on that.
now they're okay.
Around here. Or come back through a easier section.
I love them wheels, dude.
Or I can stay hooked down, and if you turn that way, it'll kind of be like a little pivot.
Like through here or?
No, through here. So like since I'm hooked on that side,
I guess I could try, and I also have the wall to kind of ride
so
too.
if I winch this side and you
okay.
keep driving and turn, it's
Down
gonna
lower.
be saves you some stuff, man. Nice. And, turn back. Yep. Up
Nice.
the hill.
The rocks seem to not push.
Start driving? Yep, start driving nice and easy. Yep, steer down into it. Yep, just like you are. Go straight. There you go. Yep. You got a lot of pressure on it.
I might just take a winch.
Go straight.
I don't want to hit another gate. I take a winch on the straight
forward or
We'll just keep it right here.
Good job, Brian.
Right there, just that tension.
Alright, letting it down a little.
Alright.
Just be ready, because when it goes, it's gonna
it's gonna-
swing.
Put a lot of
There you go. There you go.
Yep, steer this way. Yep.
Oh, I
going.
thought I
You got it.
steer all
He'll
that.
pull you. Watch that passenger rear.
Can you stand up on the bench and watch your passenger rear tire? Keep driving. A lot of tension on there.
You got your reverse still.
Yeah, I was trying not to get off of the spot that I'm on.
Yeah.
I might have to.
Just letting you know, if somebody buys your truck, it's sold.
How much is it?
Yeah, what is the price?
What's for sale sign?
Are you taking bids?
Highest bidder.
I couldn't read the small writing.
6,500. Oh my gosh.
Got sentimental price.
What is this? The Mias Ripper?
Good deal.
You like flirting, don't you?
Yeah, because now I'm like, I don't know why it's not
Got a little head start. Get it warmed up.
You can still bail. Well, I guess no. Here's your rear.
So babe, I found that show on YouTube TV. But of course it's only like the first so many episodes.
myself in
and
that
it wants you
hole.
to log into HBO Max,
There you go.
which I don't have.
Careful of that gate.
Not quite past it yet, so.
That might work. Just enough to get past the gate.
Yeah, I'm clear of that gate now.
Yep, gate clear.
Now you can turn down and reset if you like. Just careful of the other gates.
Okay. Our articulate all the way around, just come back up.
Yeah.
Your call.
Work your rear the other way,
Nope.
Ray.
Come on.
Come on, baby. Settle down.
I'm just gonna pivot around that first, and then I'm gonna.
Where are you driving? Oh, you guys are
Literally pivot.
Oh,
flip-flopping?
I learned that hard.
Boundary. That wasn't one that went even through the table.
Thing just pushed right into it. Yeah, whatever. I mean, right. Yeah.
I just wanted the spot to be able to try and help you all the way through here.
Thank you.
Got good torque on it.
All right, go ahead and yep, go ahead and get out there.
You can do this with a winch.
Yeah, I did a winch. I was trying to get lined up. I knew I was going to take it from the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
I'm watching a little bit more.
Otherwise,
Yeah. See if you can.
You can't even hear it.